Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to organize Instagram accounts you are following. So first of all, open up your Instagram and just open up your followers. Alright, so go to your profile and here you can see your following lists. So there are not many following profile with my profile, so you can see from this option you will be able to see that is all the people you are following. All right, and you can see adjust, like you can change the sort by option, and there will be a lot more option available if you are like following all the sports athletes, like if you are following the other like fitness and health related Instagram account. So you will be able to organize them according to your needs. So everything will be available in this option. So I hope you guys understand how you can do this. If you still have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.